Hello, I'm Alex at Allsopp and Allsopp, and today we are in Damac Hills 1 in cluster Topanga, viewing this 4-bedroom villa. When entering the villa, you have the downstairs bedroom, or can be used as a study with built-in storage. A closet or storage room. Downstairs shower room with walk-in shower. A utility cupboard. And an open plan kitchen with plenty of storage that's overlooking the garden and living area. Large living and dining area. Now we're going to go outside. Patio area, ideal for seating area and barbecues. Garden. With a view of the cluster. Also a walkway that you have access to. Now we're going to go back into the villa and view the 3 large bedrooms that are upstairs. Front bedroom, again with built-in storage, and the balcony which overlooks the front of the villa. Bedroom number 2, again built-in storage and a small balcony. It's again looking over the front of the villa. And to the rear of the villa you have another bathroom. And the master bedroom with built-in units and storage. A large shower room with a walk-in shower. And a large balcony that overlooks the garden and the rest of the cluster.